Hey?
So I think a lot of people only go to the show just because of the show food. Alright, we're going into the Rotary shed. We've got Santa's Flying Spanners. It's about to happen in a couple of minutes. Now we've got a couple of young guys who are going. Who's going to pull an engine apart? Put it back together again for us. These two? Jennifer? So we've got Pepper, Jennifer,
Look at the first one, the 600.
Xavier,
But we'll just go and see what goes on.
Raphael. That's like the Ninja Turtle. They're brothers. Now what sort of engine are these guys pulling?
Nice Ford.
Today? Oh my God. Now, Gus has just said something to me and I've almost fallen off my sandals. They're actually pulling apart an engine that you probably would never ever even, you might not have even heard of this one. It's a 4-cylinder Holden Starfire motor.
Thanks, Wayne. Yeah. You want to explain it to the people who are under my age?
Those who are under your age?
Yeah.
The 4-cylinder Holden Starfire motor came out in the 1982 Commodore. And the Corona, that's right, they came out in the Corona. Now, there's not many of these engines left. I think